Welcome learner! Today we are going to learn about legs, ribbon and tattle. And I hope that this video will brighten your day while increasing your vocabulary.
Let's begin, shall we?
The first word is legs. Legs are body parts that we use to walk and stand. Sentence example: he has hairy legs. The second word will be ribbon. To those who don't know yet, ribbon is used to tie gift or decoration. Sentence example will be: I used red ribbon to tie some gift for my wife. The third word and the last will be tattle. The definition of tattle is: a tattling is telling on someone in order to get them in trouble. It's very hard to understand, therefore I made you a video. Let's watch it together.
Boss, Ikmal is late. Boss, Aisyah play PUBG. Boss, he farted. Yeah.
The sentence example will be: my sister loves to tattle about things that I did wrong. Here's a bonus word for you: silent. The definition of silent is not making or accompanied by any sound. Sentence example: please silence your mobile phone inside the hospital. That's it for today. I hope you learned something new. Comment down below of what word you want me to explain. I'll see you again in the next video.